Welcome back to the channel Math Learning with Shobita. Today we will discuss a question asked in the Rayachur Assistant Professor Examination 2024. The question is from Real Analysis. Question: if f of xy is equal to 3x plus 4y for x if xy not equal to 1, 2 and it is defined as x otherwise, then limit x comma y tends to e comma 1 by e of f of xy is dash. Option 1 e into 3e square plus 4. Option 2 e inverse into 3e square plus 4. Option 3 e into 3 plus 4e square. Option 4 e inverse into 3 plus 4e square. So this question is very easy. See here clearly the point e comma 1 by e is not equal to 1 comma 2. Okay, so we can here f of xy takes the value 3x plus 4y. So now limit x comma y tending to e comma 1 by e. So this is 3x plus 4y. Okay, f of x comma y you have to take f of x comma y which is equal to limit x comma y tending to e 1 by e. So f of xy here it is 3x plus 4y. Substituting we will get 3e plus 4 by e. So I will multiply multiply e by and divide by e. So you will get 3e square by e plus 4 by e. So this can be 1 by e into 3e square plus 4. That is e inverse of 3e square plus 4. Simple one. So option 2 is correct. Thank you friends. Please share and subscribe the channel.